our best in round is candidate number.
Ay, ito.
And our best in round.
Muna may ito sa
To be awarded. Yes, awarded by Ron Nugget, SK Universe 1979. Alright.
cellphone. Full bar ya? Full bar ya?
Congratulations, candidate number 1, our best in round. Let's give her a big round of applause. Palakpakan po natin siya. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, our best in round. Okay? Now we're going to have our best in casual wear. Okay?
Sino ba yan?
Sino ba yung may magandang casual wear? Who's your choice? Yung mga nasa taas.
9!
Number 5. O nasa baba?
9!
3. Yun nandun. Okay, let's see. To be awarded by
Zero.
JR. You? Okay, to be awarded by JR for the best in casual wear. Our best in casual wear will receive a sash and a trophy. Okay, best in casual wear.
Sabi niya ginagawa.
Alright, our best in casual wear goes to candidate number.
9!
Candidate number?
9!
Number?
9!
Number 6.
Ay, taluluwal ka eh.
Congratulations, candidate number 6, our best in casual wear for tonight's session. The lady in black.
Ano ba?
Okay, so since we're now with awarding, okay, so we're going to have our
Casual interview.
casual interview. So, candidates, kung meron kayong